Hey, how you guys doing? It's Joseph Graham. The reason why I'm making this video is because when I asked for a recommendable pool service, someone I know gave me your contact information. This is why I'm making it. When someone is looking for any type of pool service, they're gonna do one of two things. They're gonna ask someone they know with the pool, hey, who cleans your pools? Who did this for that? Who did that? Well, that's how you get the word of mouth referral. They're gonna say Texas Fiberglass Pools did this, and they're gonna refer you guys to them. Refer you to them, right? Or they're going to search on Google, okay? Which is what most people do. For any product or service that you're looking for, they're going to go on Google and do a search, right? So if I'm looking for a pool guy, pool company, I'm going to search for it, or like a pool cleaner or, pool repair person, and I'm going to get results. It's these top three results, these top three businesses in these results that get the first phone call. All right, there's proof of claim. I'm going to show you a bunch of examples. Okay, so it's these top three results, and it's your map listing, which is the biggest asset because your website is not really an asset until it's ranked on the page one. So you guys have multiple GMBs, right? And I'm showing you examples of two of them. I did the one in North Tarrant County and the one in North Dallas, right? So I took these map listings and I ran them through my heat map tool. Where's it at? It's this one right here. So this is the one based in North Dallas. Or no, this is the one based in North Fort Worth. Okay? And what you're looking at right here is everywhere your map listing is and is not being ranked. Okay? So your North Fort Worth map listing, when someone is searching for a swimming pool repair service, you guys aren't showing up anywhere, really. Right here, you're number 4, which is close. So let's click on that spot. So right here, we got summertime, Clearwater, and Texas Pool. Then we got you guys. I'm gonna click on summertime pools. Now, summertime pools is ranking in a large portion of Keller, and Trophy Club. That's where the money's at in this North Tarrant County area. Okay, they're getting the first calls in all of these areas. I'm gonna go down and look for your other one. This is the Dallas one. Okay, this is the Dallas one right here. So right here in Dallas, when someone searches for the same service, pool repair or pool cleaning or whatever has to do with pools, you're only showing up number 3 in that area where your map listing is right there. So I think that's where your office is or wherever this map listing was set up. Okay, and that's where you're gonna rank number 3. Other than that, you're not ranking anywhere. No one is seeing your GMB, which means you're missing out on a lot of money. So we go over here off of 635. You got Blue Science, Addison Pool Service, and these Liquidus. Click on Blue Science. Blue Science is only ranking in one spot. And if everyone else is like pretty much all red, that's good for you guys because that means you got an opportunity to start dominating this marketplace, right? So pretty much you guys are missing out on a lot of calls, but there's a lot of opportunity, especially if your competition is weak like that. Now, let me show you what happens whenever you are ranking. So I'm working with a company in Fort Worth. Okay, they do drywall, and it doesn't matter what the niche is, whether it's drywall, pools, fences, foundation. It all works the same. Okay, so this company has a few GMBs. This GMB that we have in Southwest Fort Worth, this is where it's ranking, everywhere you see it green. And what does that do? That generates 200 calls a month. Okay? 200 calls a month. This foundation company and waterproofing company up in Philadelphia, which is the same size as DFW, we got them green all across the metro area. What does that do? It gets them 121 calls. This is the last 30 days from today to 30 days March March 31st. So 121 calls. And that's the benefit of ranking in those top 3 spots. especially if you can occupy multiple spots, right? You're going to generate a whole lot of phone calls. You don't have to take 121 calls. You don't have to take 201 calls, but if you do, I mean, yeah, you want to take the calls, but you don't have to take every job. You know what I mean? Because when you have that much volume coming in, you can choose to pick out the bigger jobs. You don't have to take everything given to you. You know what I mean? So with that said, I will send you guys a copy of your heat map, both of them, your Fort Worth one and your Dallas one, and you guys can click around and see where you need to improve, which is pretty much everywhere. Smart choice. Like they're only ranking in a couple areas: Haltom City, East Side, and North Side, Diamond Hill. So they're getting the first calls in these areas right here. Hopefully this information was helpful. If not, that's fine. But if you want to learn more, I'm with Upshot Solutions, and thank you for watching.